Hey everyone, welcome back to DWORD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local account during the Windows 11 setup without signing in with a Microsoft account. This method works even on the latest Windows 11 versions, and you don't need any tools, internet connection, or extra software. Just follow my steps exactly and you will be able to create a simple offline local account during installation. When you reach the Windows 11 out-of-box setup screen where Microsoft forces you to sign in, don't continue. Instead, press Shift and F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt window. From here, type regedit and press Enter. The registry editor will now open. Inside the registry editor, expand HKey local machine. Then open software. Scroll down and open Microsoft. From there, open Windows. Then open CurrentVersion, and finally open the OOBE folder. Right click on the empty space and select New. Then select DWORD 32-bit value. Rename this file to BypassNRO. After that, double click on it and change its value to 1. Press OK and close the registry editor. Now go back to the command prompt and type the restart command. Type shutdown space /r space /t space 0. Press Enter. Your system will reboot instantly. Windows 11 will return to the setup screen again. Now, you have to disconnect your internet. If you are using a LAN cable, physically unplug it from the back of your PC. If you are using Wi-Fi, don't connect to it. After that, choose your region, choose your keyboard layout. When it asks you to connect to a network, simply click on I don't have internet. Windows will show a warning message. Click Continue with limited setup. Now the local account setup page will appear. Type your name here. If you want a password, you can create one, and if you prefer not to use a login password, just leave the password box empty and click Next. After that, you'll see the privacy and preference options. Adjust them the way you like. You can also turn everything off if you want. That's it. Windows 11 will now create a local account and finish the installation normally. You don't need any Microsoft account. You don't need to sign in with email, and your username remains fully offline. After the installation is complete, you can connect your PC to the internet and use it normally. Even though you set up Windows 11 with a local account, you can still sign in with your Microsoft account inside Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Office, Xbox, OneDrive, and all other Microsoft apps without any problem. Everything will work just like before. So this is how you easily create a local account during Windows 11 setup without using a Microsoft account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to DWORD for more simple and clear Windows guides. Thanks for watching.